So this is actually what the operator would see, or the user would see. This is the user interface. On the top, we have three separate buttons: standby, targeting, and continuous. And I'm just going to walk you down the left panel here while Steve is viewing the car. So standby mode, that allows the user to go into a rest mode, saves on light bulb life, and extends the useful time of the system. If you switch over to targeting, this allows us those controls such as zoom and focus, as well as a pan and tilt and home button. So that's essentially sort of that cursor that you have displayed there. So as you can see, this is live, and Steve's zooming it out and looking for that suspect area where material may be deposited. On the left-hand side are presets. So the user can add a particular, let's say this checkpoint, have common presets where it allows the user to quickly move the sensor to the proper location. In this scene, we're going to be looking at the car door. Steve's going to hit scan, and it'll present us a discrete scan of that area, and it's going to feed back is there any explosive materials or any threats in the scene. And what we found was it's alerted the user that there's urea materials that were deposited on the car door. Of course, we have loaded these specifically for this demonstration to show you how fast and capable the system is. What you can do at this point is you can hit OK and scan to another section of the car. And check to see if there's any other deposits anywhere else. So again, what we're displaying here is how useful and capable it is. Pretty simple to use. Looks like whoever's driving this car has something special to do, because we found some ammonium nitrate on here too. I hope they're just a gardener, right? But as you can see in the comments box, Steve's located that he is the bad guy. So the comment box is useful. It helps the user jot down any notes about the scene, what was going on. Could be, as he's saying, time, date, weather, what's going on. Useful things that you want to remember, because again, if you're detecting explosives, you want to make sure that you take down as much information about the scene and information as possible for later use. What we're seeing here are our detection catalog. This allows you to pull up previous detections. It provides you a comment section on the side where comments can be displayed. You can also add additional comments if someone else wanted to add information or comments about that scene. You can also hit and print a report, quite simple. In that detection catalog, you could see, or the detection view, you could also see the type of material that was detected. Thanks, Steve. Then one of the other modes we have is continuous. So if we go back to the car door, you see the preset, just a couple quick adjustments. And Steve's going to click on continuous. And what this will do is this will continuously take images of the scene underneath that particular wavelength. And it uses a thing called persistence. So you might see things pop in and out of the scene. It allows you a quick view hey, is there something there? And if someone walks into the scene, like the driver may do, what you'll see is this is a live update. Driver's in the scene. And then if he moves out, you might see some detections. This is important for everyone to note, that the system's designed for stationary objects, and you can get false positives pop up utilizing this continuous mode or even a targeting mode when there's motion in the scene, such as a moving person. So again, we're looking for something that integrates into your checkpoint with the stationary targets. So we go back to targeting. And one of the features here is the ability to swap images. So here you have the target image is now large. This is useful whenever you're asking a driver to move to a different location, or, hey, you know what, we found something here. Let's just take a look at what might be in the trunk. Is there any residue that's left behind?